If you're thinking about buying CedCommerce for your dropshipping business, there are 12 things you need to know before making that decision. Whether you're just getting started or looking for a new tool to grow your business, understanding what CedCommerce offers and how it stacks up against other dropshipping software can help you make an informed choice. First off, CedCommerce is a comprehensive solution designed to help dropshippers automate their store management, product listings, and even customer service. But before you jump in, let's break down what makes it stand out from competitors like Oberlo or Spocket. The first thing you should know is that CedCommerce offers integrations with multiple e-commerce platforms, including Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. This flexibility gives you options, and it's a major advantage if you're already using one of these platforms. However, compared to some competitors, the setup process can be a little more involved, so be prepared for a learning curve. Next, CedCommerce supports a huge number of marketplaces, including Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and Etsy. This is great if you plan on expanding your business beyond your online store and want to list your products on multiple platforms. But if you're just focused on one marketplace, it could be overkill, and you might prefer a more simplified solution like Oberlo, which is focused solely on Shopify. The third thing you need to know is its product sourcing capabilities. CedCommerce provides access to a wide range of suppliers, and you can import products with just a few clicks. While it's solid in this area, other tools like Spocket have a more curated selection of high-quality suppliers, which can make it easier to find premium products for your store. The fourth thing to consider is its automation features. CedCommerce automates tasks like order fulfillment, tracking updates, and inventory management. However, it's worth noting that while automation is a strong point, the platform's interface can feel a bit cluttered compared to competitors like Oberlo, which has a cleaner and more intuitive design. Next, let's talk about pricing. CedCommerce offers a range of pricing plans, but its lower tier plans can feel limited, especially when compared to more affordable options like Spocket or Oberlo. However, the platform offers a lot more in terms of functionality, so it could be worth the extra investment if you need all its features. Another thing to consider is CedCommerce customer support. The platform offers support via chat, email, and phone, but response times can vary. Compared to Spocket, which is known for its responsive customer service, CedCommerce might leave you waiting a bit longer for help. The seventh thing to note is its mobile app. While CedCommerce does have a mobile app, it's not as polished as some other tools. If you're looking for a streamlined, mobile-friendly experience, you might be better off with Spocket, which has a user-friendly app for on-the-go management. Next up, CedCommerce offers good reporting and analytics tools to help you track your sales, orders, and performance. However, it's not as in-depth as what you get with platforms like Shopify, which provide more robust analytics out of the box. The ninth thing to consider is its marketing tools. CedCommerce includes some marketing features, such as coupon codes and email campaigns. But if you're looking for a more integrated marketing experience, platforms like Oberlo or Spocket offer better tools for driving traffic and conversions. The 10th thing is that CedCommerce has a steep learning curve for beginners. If you're new to dropshipping, you might find it overwhelming at first. Other platforms like Oberlo offer a more beginner-friendly experience, which might be ideal if you're just getting started. The 11th thing you need to know is its scalability. CedCommerce is a great option if you're planning to scale your business over time, thanks to its extensive integrations and automation features. However, for smaller businesses, it might be a bit too complex, and you could get by with something simpler. And the last thing is CedCommerce refund policy. If you're not happy with the service, CedCommerce does offer refunds, but only within a short period after purchase. This is a pretty standard policy, but if you're someone who likes a risk-free trial, you might want to consider competitors that offer more flexible refund terms. In conclusion, CedCommerce is a powerful and feature-rich platform, but it's not for everyone. If you're looking for a more streamlined solution, or if you're just starting out, there are other platforms that may suit your needs better. But if you're ready to scale and need a comprehensive tool, CedCommerce could be a great option for you. However, if you're looking for a better, more user-friendly dropshipping solution, check out our recommended option. You can try it for free and see if it works better for your business.